All right, today I'm going to teach you how to use the word look because a lot of you guys using it the wrong way. No, seriously, because when you use it the wrong way, it come off funny. All right? I don't want you to look funny. So, let's do it. All right, here we go. First one. Look. Look. Mong. Mong. All right? Mong means you're looking at something. For instance, you're sitting in a car and you're looking at the view. You mong. They call it mong view. Mong view. Pom mong view means I'm looking at the view. Don't talk to me because you're in Thailand for the first time. You know, this is beautiful, right? So, pom mong view means I'm looking at the view. All right, next one. Do. Do mean watch. You spend your time watching something, just like you're watching this video right now, watching a movie, watching TV, watching a play, watching a fight. It's entertaining or whatever, right? So do means you spend your time watching it for a long period of time. Hen is see. See mean hen. Just like you glance at something, you saw it. You saw something from the corner of your eyes. Hen, like you saw a cat. You saw a robbery, okay? Hen. So it'll be you're at the airport and your girlfriend, your boyfriend, your loved one, or your partners or whatever, right? Your friend come pick you up at the airport and they just go, what the heck, you know, it's like, where's this guy at? And you all waving your arm, you call him like, yo man, I'm over here. So you call him and you waving your arm, you go, คุณเห็นผมไหม คุณเห็นผมไหม means do you see me? Are you blind? Do you see me? I'm over here. Okay? The regular speed will be คุณเห็นผมไหม คุณเห็นผมไหม means do you see me? Okay? And they might go, oh yeah, there you are. Yeah. ฉันเห็นคุณ means I just saw it. I saw you. You just right there. Yeah. The funny looking guy. Yeah. I saw you. ฉันเห็นคุณ means I saw you. เห็น means I just look up and you're just right there. Okay? All right. Now next. จ้อง จ้อง means stare. Stare. You're staring at someone. Or for instance, you go in a coffee house, right? And you're ordering your coffee. And this creepy guy in the corner staring at you. Okay? You're like, oh man, this is bad news, right? So, stare means จ้อง จ้อง Okay? You can say จ้องทำไม จ้อง คุณจ้องทำไม คุณจ้องทำไม Why are you staring at me? Okay? Don't be shy. Say it. If you feel uncomfortable in Thailand, just say it out. Don't act all like shy and stuff. You know, that's how you end up dead. Okay? Just say คุณจ้องทำไม means what you staring at. All right? Put them in their place. Okay? Next one. Peng. Peng means that you concentrate looking at something. You peng. For example, you forgot your glasses. And you can't see anything. And you have to read something, a contract or a menu. You have to read a menu, right? And you're looking at it, but you can't see it. You like try so hard to see it. That's peng. Next one is le, or le mong. Le mong means side eye. You saw a creepy guy. Again, the same guy over there. You don't want to turn your head to look at him. You just glance at him from the corner of your eyes. That's called le. Like side-eyed him. Le mong. Show him that you're not impressed. Le mong. Alright? Le mong. Next one is mong kon. Mong kon. It's almost the same as side-eye. You're in a disagreement, an argument. For example, you're doing something, right? And someone said something stupid. And you go, what? Yeah, like mong kon. Like, you say what? Yeah, mong kon. One more thing though. Be careful when you use the word mong. Okay? Mong. This one is important. I covered this in a previous video. Mong arai. Mong arai. Okay? Don't say that to a stranger. Mong arai. That's way to start a fight. Okay, so try not to use that. มองอะไร What are you looking at? What the hell are you looking at? มองอะไร All right, try not to use that. You can use it to your friend. You can say that to someone that you know, they're your friend, family, or whatever. But don't say it to a stranger. Anyway, there's tons of ways to use the word look. If you have any question, leave it down in the comment and I'll help you out. Okay, my name is Bodo, and please like and subscribe, and I'll see you next time. Peace.